refreshing faded hair, using Love Color Conditioner for a vibrant hue. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be discussing how to refresh faded hair using Love Color Condition for a vibrant hue. Is your vibrant hair color looking a little lackluster? Don't panic. We're here to show you a super easy and affordable way to revive your faded color using Love Color Conditioner. Get ready to say hello to vibrant, refreshed locks without breaking the bank. Hair color fading is a common problem. Sun exposure, washing your hair too often, and using harsh shampoos can all contribute to color loss. But don't worry, you don't need to re-dye your hair every few weeks. Love Color Conditioner is a color depositing conditioner that helps replenish lost pigment. It's like a mini dye job in your shower, adding vibrancy and shine with every use. Plus, it's way gentler than permanent dye. Love Color Conditioner comes in a range of shades to match or enhance your existing hair color. Whether you're rocking a fiery red, a cool blue, or a rich brunette, there's a shade for you. Consider your current hair color and the level of vibrancy you want to achieve. If you're unsure, it's always best to start with a shade that's slightly lighter than your hair color. You can always build up the intensity. Let's get started. First, shampoo your hair as usual. Make sure to rinse thoroughly. Squeeze out excess water from your hair. You want it to be damp but not dripping wet. This helps the Love Color Conditioner adhere evenly. Apply a generous amount of Love Color Conditioner to your hair, focusing on the areas where the color has faded the most. Use gloves to avoid staining your hands. Massage the conditioner into your hair, ensuring even distribution. A wide-tooth comb can help with this. Let the conditioner sit for 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the desired intensity. The longer you leave it on, the more vibrant the color will be. Rinse thoroughly with cool water until the water runs clear. Avoid using shampoo after rinsing. To keep your color looking fresh for longer, use sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Sulfates can strip your hair of its color. Avoid washing your hair too often. Dry shampoo can be your best friend. Protect your hair from the sun by wearing a hat or using a UV protectant spray. Use Love Color Conditioner regularly to maintain your vibrant hue. We recommend using it every 1 to 2 weeks, or as needed. Look at that shine, and the color is so much more vibrant. Love Color Conditioner is a game changer for maintaining your hair color between salon visits or dye jobs. It's affordable, easy to use, and gentle on your hair. What's not to love? So, are you ready to revive your faded hair color and rock a vibrant new look? Head to your local drugstore or online retailer and grab a bottle of Love Color Conditioner today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks, and let us know in the comments below which Love Color Conditioner shade you're going to try first. Share your before and after photos. We can't wait to see your amazing transformations. Click the link in the description to find the best deals on Love Color Conditioner. Happy coloring!